Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing bad color quality on your PS4. If your PS4 colors look dull, washed out, or too dark, this video will help. Place your PS4 and TV where you can easily reach the cables. Pick up the PS4 controller and turn on your PS4 normally. Wait for the PS4 home screen to load fully. Now go to the PS4 settings using the controller. Scroll down in PS4 settings to the option Sound and Screen. Select Video Output Settings on your PS4. Look at Resolution on the PS4 screen first. If your PS4 is set to automatic, leave it there for now. Next, move down to RGB Range in the PS4 settings. If the PS4 RGB range is set to automatic, your TV may read it incorrectly. Change the PS4 RGB range to full. Full RGB gives deeper blacks and richer colors on your PS4. After switching to full, back out to the PS4 home screen. Look at the PS4 colors to see if they look cleaner and brighter. If the PS4 colors still look off, return to Video Output Settings. Now select HDR on the PS4 if your TV supports HDR. If HDR is enabled on your PS4, set Deep Color Output to Automatic. If your PS4 screen flickers, set Deep Color Output to Off instead. Press the PS button and go back to the PS4 home menu. If colors are still not correct, we'll check the PS4 HDMI cable. Power off the PS4 completely. Wait for the PS4 light to turn completely off. Gently unplug the HDMI cable from the back of the PS4. Inspect the PS4 HDMI port for dust or damage. Use a cotton swab to lightly clean around the PS4 port. Now check the HDMI cable connection on your TV. Unplug it from the TV and inspect that side as well. Reseat the HDMI cable firmly back into the PS4. Then reseat the HDMI cable back into the TV. Turn on your PS4 again. If the PS4 colors improved, it was a loose HDMI connection. If not, we'll now check the PS4 safe mode video output. Turn off the PS4 again. Press and hold the PS4 power button until you hear a second beep. This boots the PS4 into safe mode. Connect the PS4 controller to the PS4 using a USB cable. Select Change Resolution on the PS4 safe mode menu. The PS4 will restart and apply a new video signal. Once the PS4 restarts, check the color quality again. If still not fixed, return to Video Output Settings on your PS4. Try lowering the PS4 resolution to 1080p instead of 4K. Some TVs display PS4 colors better at 1080p. Confirm the resolution change and return to the PS4 home screen. Look closely at dark areas of the PS4 UI. If the PS4 blacks look gray, adjust TV picture mode next. Pick up the TV remote but ensure the PS4 is still on. Open the TV picture settings while viewing the PS4 home screen. Switch your TV to Game Mode. Game Mode prevents color distortion and input lag for the PS4. Increase contrast slightly while keeping brightness moderate. Avoid Vivid or Sports Mode because they distort PS4 color accuracy. Now compare the PS4 colors again. If the PS4 blacks are deeper and the colors stronger, you're done. If the result is good, lock in the settings and enjoy your PS4 games. If you still have issues, try a high-speed HDMI 2.0 cable for your PS4. This allows full RGB and HDR output on the PS4. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, helping you fix your PS4 step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your PS4 issues in the comments.